Hi, good afternoon. It is great to be back in New York, and it is a pleasure to have you here today. I'd like to begin by focusing on our journey to Japanese premium. We are invested and furiously committed to this journey. We are relentlessly focused on human centricity, which delivers an exceptional driver experience and requires us to listen closely to our customers. Putting our customer first is central to our business strategy, and it is reflected in the experience we provide at our dealerships. I'm excited to share our progress with you. So we ended 2018 with a milestone that marks the beginning of a new era at Mazda, the all-new Mazda 3. This product has been an overwhelming response from our early customers. Many of you who have driven this car have praised it as a premium product, thanks to its elegant and beautiful design, and it has been praised for its quiet cabin, refined driving dynamics, advanced safety, and premium features. And most importantly, the all-new Mazda 3 sets a new standard in its segment with its all-wheel driving capabilities. This addition gives the driver more confidence and enhances the sense of safety and the premium driving feeling on any road condition. The Mazda's unique G-Vectoring Control Plus and all-wheel drive capabilities are testament to how we are further advancing driving dynamics. The driver always feels completely in control, confident, and exhilarated. In any weather condition or circumstance, the all-new Mazda 3 moves exactly as you intend. And as we move towards premium, we are expanding our all-wheel driving offering. The all-new Mazda 3 is now available at Mazda dealerships, so please go and check it out. We are extremely proud of our products, but producing outstanding products alone is not enough. Our customer experience must be just as exceptional as our cars. Mazda is heavily invested in helping dealerships optimize their operations and customer experience at every touch point in every interaction. Our dealer partners are equally committed to this journey. They are investing significantly in facility upgrades that reflect our brand and our customer-centric business philosophy. Looking to the future, our investment in the Toyota partnership is very important to Mazda's growth and journey to premium. Last fall, Mazda and Toyota broke ground on a new plant in Huntsville, Alabama. At this new plant, we will build an all-new crossover that is unique to the North American market. Just as we are expanding our product offering, we are also growing our local workforce. This new plant will bring about 4,000 new jobs to the U.S. Mazda's momentum has led to some enhancement to our leadership structure. Beginning in April, I became the chairman and CEO of North America, overseeing the U.S., and Canada, and Mexico. And I'm very happy to introduce you to Jeffrey Guyton, the new president of Mazda North American Operations. I have known Jeff for many years, and we are very fortunate he has joined our team. For the past 10 years, he serves as the president and CEO of Mazda Motor Europe, where he successfully elevated the brand and profitability. He is a strong leader, but most importantly, he carries Mazda Challenger spirit with him. and he's here to make sure it continues to resonate loud and clear in the U.S. So please join me in welcoming Jeff to the stage.
Thank you, Moro-san, and hello, everybody. I'm delighted to be with you here today. And while I'm not new to Mazda, I am new to many of you, and I look forward to getting to know you much better in my new role. As you can probably hear in my voice, I'm an Ohio native, and it's been a while since I've lived in the U.S. But during my 20 years with Mazda, I've worked in Hiroshima, and as Moro-san mentioned, in Europe, and I'm excited now to return to the U.S. and be of service to our team here in North America. Now, wherever I have worked in the Mazda world, I've witnessed a common foundation in our corporate culture, and that foundation is challenger spirit. It springs from our hometown in Hiroshima, coming out of that city's unique heritage, and it means that we collectively are driven to innovate our new products, often doing things that others don't do. We do things differently in order to try to do them better. Now, Mazda's unique diesel engine is a great example of this. And what makes Mazda's diesel technology so remarkable is that we designed the combustion process itself to produce very few harmful emissions in the first place, which means we need to rely less on after-treatment catalysts. And the great news for drivers? Well, this unique diesel technology delivers a diesel engine which revs much more freely than our competition. And we've seen much success with this engine globally. For example, we pioneered the clean diesel market in Japan for passenger cars. And from 2012 to 2015, diesel sales grew from less than 1% of the industry to nearly 6%. And Mazda made up 70% of those sales. In Europe, where diesel emissions have seen intense scrutiny for the last few years, I'm pleased to say that Mazda has been selling advanced Euro 6 compliant models since 2012, well in advance of regulatory requirements in that region. And now to meet the latest and even more stringent requirements, we've added advanced selective catalytic reduction devices to the large diesel-powered cars that we sell in that region. Now, you might be saying, hey, Jeff, that's nice, but what does that mean here in the United States? Well, today I'm happy to share that Mazda Skyactiv-D 2.2-liter diesel engine is joining the North American powertrain lineup this July. Mazda has worked tirelessly with federal and state agencies to ensure that this diesel engine has passed each and every regulation with this debut model, the 2019 CX-5 Signature with all-wheel drive. Now, its clean, highly efficient power plant provides 15% better combined fuel economy than our turbocharged gasoline engine. And thanks to a design which allows the lowest compression ratio for a diesel engine around the world, just 14 to 1, this gives the engine a cleaner combustion, much more free-revving nature that delivers nearly 170 horsepower at 4,000 RPM and 290 pounds-feet of torque at a low 2,000 RPM. Now, in this top-of-the-line Signature CX-5 with all-wheel drive, we estimate fuel efficiency of 27 miles per gallon in the city, 30 on the highway, and 28 combined. Now, this is the ideal vehicle for enthusiastic drivers seeking higher mileage or long-distance adventures, or outdoor enthusiasts who want low-end torque for carrying heavy loads on hilly climbs. So as Mazda continues our climb toward premium, we will offer more powertrain choices that customers expect. And diesel is such an option. And for that reason, we are working to bring diesel with all-wheel drive also to our beautiful Mazda 6. So please stay tuned for that. In closing, I'd like to thank you all for joining us today. We really appreciate your time visiting us here at Mazda. And now I'd like to welcome Moro-san back to the stage to join me for a few photos. Moro-san?
Ladies and gentlemen, please give the photographers a moment before approaching the stage. Thank you.